I am about to try and attempt to make this main entrance sign. It's Metal Earth. I'm attempting to make this from this little back here. I mean, if you've ever done Metal Earth before, it's just 2 sheets of metal, and you fold the tabs. See, and you pop them out, and it makes a 3D design. So I bought this when I was over in Disney, from Disney Springs. So we're going to give this a go, and I'll keep you updated. The only tools I need is some needle-nose pliers and some tweezers. So as you probably hear, I'm pretty stuffed up still. Taking some meds, just chilling out on the sofa in my lounge pants, editing some more video to upload. Yeah, you probably hear it playing in the background. Now, you may ask yourself, why am I doing this? Well, it's because I'm doing this. I'm thinking maybe I'll get it finished tonight, but we'll see. It's quite fiddly. It's looking good though. So we need to get all these little pieces like this. Just bend them. Like this.
I'm going to eat my finger. Bite my finger. I'm going to bite my finger.
You bite your finger off?
Because I'm going to have to eat this now while it's on my finger.
Then that makes these little pedestals. And so what happens is we've now got to make some of these balls to go on top. Like this. And then they sit up here eventually. Sit up there. So it's these star shapes that we're going to bend now to make one of these balls here. So these ones, I'm going to use tweezers. You can get in. And don't drop it. So now the 4 globes are made, and I've got to attach these to the top of these columns. And there she is, the completed Disney Arches Metal Earth.